backflip. Well, you, of course, you're not doing that.
Prepare for the chair na kasi agad.
Get the chair po. Get this chair po. Ma'am, Mima. Can you open the ano na po? Oh yeah, ako na pala. Para alam nila ako. Ako gumawa sa lahat.
Ang ingay naman ni Panda. Eksena.
Ano yan? Ingay lang naman eh.
Eksena si Panda girl.
Gusto pa niya na mention, no? I'm gonna post it on YouTube, by the way. 2000, but I know how to post. By the way, not a flex. Ito, tapos na. Where's the spots? Nasaan yung spots? Mommy, where's the spots?
Dapat ikaw na kumukuha niyan.
Ay, wow. I kind of love with this one. I'm a shorty. Oh wait, I got it now. Sorry. Oh come on, I still have to wait for you to become 58. Yeah. Oh, sorry. Inisan mo, gusto ko maging 58 or ano? Oh. Hindi pa nga luto yung ano. You gotta take bubble gum. Oh, no. Dami pa yung memory, so don't, delete it. Oops, sorry, I spoke Tagalog. We live in the Philippines, by the way, but I only speak English for my videos. Oh, I am sweating. Oh, no. Okay, I think that's good enough. No judge, I'm a shorty. Of course, hindi sure. Ano po? Aray ko, ang sakit yan. Just gonna get that after. Okay, good to eat. See you in the next video.